remember where. Your eyes are blue, but then I really ever. Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Hey guys, it's Mishty and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Mishty, Savour, Gracias. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a healthy beetroot vegetable. So let's get started. Oh, what am I doing? This isn't a mic, it's a brush. Oh, never mind. Let's get started. Now for making the healthy beetroot curry, the ingredients that we require are 1 cup of grated coconut, 1 cup of beetroot, 2 tablespoons of fried sesame seeds, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 2 sliced green chilies, salt for taste, virgin coconut oil, 1 tablespoon, some mustard seeds, and curry leaves. Now my pan is already heated. Now let me add my oil in it. And now I'll add the mustard. I'm a little scared, but now, come on Mishty, you can do it. Now let's just add the sesame seeds. Now, when our sesame seeds and mustard seeds crackle, we'll add our onion and saute it for a few minutes. Then we'll add our curry leaves and saute it again. Then we'll add our green chili and again saute it for a while. I can smell the curry leaves. I really love curry. Now, let's just add our beetroot and cook it for a while. It looks so colorful. Now, let's just add salt for taste and cook it for a while again. Then we'll add our coconut. Now, let's just add our coconut and cook it for some time. Now, till it gets cooked, I will tell you some benefits of beetroot and coconut. Beetroot is low on calories. It is rich with fiber and helps you feel full for long. Coconut helps fighting antioxidants, promoting blood sugar regulation and reducing certain risk factors for heart diseases. Till all the water is evaporated. You know, you will usually find this in the southern parts of India where they make this vegetable often, and they put coconut and curry leaves in almost all of the vegetables they cook. Now let's just cook it for a few minutes again. Now all the water is evaporated and it's ready to serve. So guys, you can see that our healthy beetroot vegetable is ready. It looks so delicious. I just feel it to eat it right now. And now I'm having it with new paratha. Guys, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share, comment, and follow me on Instagram. Excuse me if I'm being rude, but I didn't mean to stare. I think I've seen you, but I really can't remember where. Your eyes are blue, but then I really... Sorry, I forgot to say bye.